Imagine waking up to a world where the sun never sets. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But what if Earth stopped spinning? This isn't just a chilling thought experiment. It opens up a journey into the science of our planet's rotation and its crucial role in maintaining life as we know it. Now picture this. Earth, spinning at 1,000 miles per hour, suddenly comes to a standstill. The immediate effects? Nothing less than catastrophic. You see, our planet's rotation creates a centrifugal force. This force pulls everything away from the Earth's axis and towards the equator. It's what makes gravity weaker at the equator than at the poles. If Earth stopped spinning, this centrifugal force would disappear. What happens next is a domino effect of cataclysmic proportions. The immediate loss of centrifugal force would cause a seismic shift in gravity's pull. This sudden halt would cause a massive change in gravity due to the loss of centrifugal force. With the Earth's rotation gone, the centrifugal force that once pushed things away from the center would disappear. That's right, the force that keeps us grounded would suddenly intensify. Imagine the weight of your own body doubling, tripling, or even quadrupling in an instant. It's not just us though, everything would become heavier. Buildings, cars, animals, even the air we breathe. Now picture the world's oceans, unchained by the centrifugal force that once held them at bay. They would surge towards the poles, leaving vast land masses exposed and bare. The redistribution of the atmosphere would follow suit, leading to dramatic and brutal weather conditions. Imagine hurricane winds and torrential rains becoming the new normal. And the flooding, oh, the flooding. With the oceans piling up on the poles, low-lying areas would be submerged under miles-deep water, erasing entire cities and nations from the map. The effects would be immediate, dramatic and catastrophic. With one half of the Earth in constant daylight and the other half in perpetual darkness, our world as we know it would change drastically. Imagine the sunlit side becoming a scorching desert, as continuous exposure to the sun's rays would cause temperatures to skyrocket. Meanwhile, the dark side would turn into a freezing wasteland, locked in a perpetual night and deprived of the sun's warmth. This climatic divide would have profound impacts on the environment, causing ecosystems to collapse and species to struggle for survival. Our agriculture, heavily reliant on the sun and the seasons, would face unprecedented challenges. Imagine trying to grow crops in a world without sunrise or sunset. Human life too would be shaken to its core. Our biological clocks, tuned to the day-night cycle, would go haywire. We'd face a stark choice: adapt or perish. Such extreme conditions would challenge the survival of all life forms. But the changes wouldn't stop there. Even our planet's magnetic field and the Moon's orbit would be affected. Our Earth's magnetic field, a protective shield against harmful solar radiation, is generated by the planet's rotation. If the Earth stopped spinning, this field would weaken, leaving us exposed to increased solar radiation. This would not only pose a health risk, but also interfere with our technology. The absence of Earth's rotation would also impact our Moon. The gravitational interaction between the Earth and the Moon, which is responsible for the tides, would change dramatically. The tides would lessen and the Moon's orbit would become unstable, potentially leading it to drift away from the Earth. These changes underscore just how crucial Earth's rotation is. It's not just about day and night, but about the balance of forces that make life on our planet possible. So next time you enjoy a beautiful sunrise or sunset, remember the vital role our spinning Earth plays in making it possible.